Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. Hush, little baby, don't say a word. And never mind that what you've heard. It's just the beast under your bed. In your closet, in your head. Let's go! Okay, so we have here Heroclix, Iconix, the Sandman. Okay, so no other thing needs to be said but the Sandman. And it's a very epic. I love the visual here, gold, light, sand. Okay, because it's a Sandman. And on the left side, we see the equipments, the relics of the Sandman, the mask, the pouch, and the ruby, okay, from the Netflix show. Okay, I actually watched the Netflix show and really loved it. And this is on the other side, we have the emo king of the dream realm, Morpheus, okay, and his crew, the Sandman series. At the back, we see a brief description. The Sandman. Close your eyes. Embark on a journey across worlds with DC Heroclix, the Sandman. Bring Morpheus, the Lord of Dreams, to your tabletop and wield the awesome power of one of the seven endless to restore order to the realm of the dreaming. Specifically made for you, the collector, Iconix captures the moments that you love from the comics universe and brings them to your game shelf, table, play table, or Heroclix collection. Okay, so I did not read the comics, but I did watch the Sandman show, and it's really nice, the one in Netflix. And I hope they bring in more of the endless. Okay, I want to make like a 300-point team of all endless. Heroclix, the Sandman Iconix on top, and at the bottom it's a 2024 product, but we're opening it 2025. Okay. Oh, on the inside is the display window, and you can see the character and the equipments there. And on the left side we see the silhouette or the shot of the dreaming Lord of the realm we all visit when we sleep. The Sandman uses his mystifying objects of power to confront waking nightmares and keep order over the dreaming. Add one of the immortal endless to your team and wield power beyond your wildest dreams. Okay. But I'm pretty sure he can be KO'd, so just be careful. Anyway, let's take a look at the figure inside and make sure that the card is there. Okay. Okay, so the beauty about Iconix is that they have their own card design, which is really novel. Okay, so this one, okay, has the stars, has the borders, okay, and like a card, like a tarot card. Okay, so we have Dream, Pouch of Sand, Dream's Helm, and Dream's Ruby. Okay, this should have been Dream's Pouch. And then let's take off the figures and equipments for a closer look. Okay. This Iconix is really good to buy because you get to have 3 equipments. Okay, and equipment are a bit harder to come by, of course, compared to figures. But this one has 3, so that's triple the fun. We have here the Dream's Helm. Okay, the Pouch of Sand, okay, which is it's floating, so that's nice. Then we have the Dream Ruby. Oops, what's this? Okay, there's an extra paint there. Both are 15. This one is 25 points. And Morpheus himself, the emo, as I said, emo endless. Okay. Okay. Let's see if the dial is correct, and that seems to be the case. Okay, so let's take a look at Dream first. Morpheus has the... They should have just named him Morpheus. Dream is has a cosmic and mystic steam ability. Endless cosmic mystical ruler. I think he's the only one with the endless keyword, if I'm not mistaken. And he has a couple of traits. The quest for his tools. When Dream KOs an opposing character, after resolutions, you may generate and equip a vestment equipment that's not already equipped to him. So these are the vestment equipment, these three. Okay. Dream may be equipped, generate and equip, so you can add more equipment because Dream may be equipped with any number of equipment as long as they're all vestments. Okay. Dream of the Endless is the second trait. Once per turn, when an opposing effect rerolls one or more dice, you may reroll that roll. Okay. When Dream is KO'd, this effect continues for the rest of the game. Okay. So you have a free reroll. Okay. That's interesting. For 40 points. Okay, 75 or 40 points. And you can see he has a special attack and damage power. Let's take a look. Attack is the gift of eternal slumber, and it's incapacity. When Dream uses it, until your next turn, when a hit character is given a free action, after resolutions, deal that character 1 unavoidable damage. Okay, interesting. It's like counter Beetlejuice because you want them to make a free action. And then leadership shape change is the special damage power, Lord of the Dreaming. Okay. Dream, real name is Dream, should have been Morpheus or whatnot. The Sandman, episode 1, season 1, episode 1, 2022. Yeah, that's the first season. Okay, but I've watched the latest season as well. Here are the vestment, equipment, vestment, indestructible. Names or keywords, endless. Barrier and shape change is the effect. So it's a qualifying name. So technically, Dream can equip any one of these for free initially, and then when he KOs, it adds more. Okay. Barrier, shape change. If this character can already use shape change, when they use it and succeed after resolutions, deal the attacker damage equal to the attacker's vintage damage value for 15 points. Yeah, that's really strong. Shape change. Interesting. Indestructible. Effect is cosmic. If this character already has cosmic printed on its base, when they use willpower, they succeed on a 3 to 6. So they become like a giant or colossal for 25 points. So it might be best to just equip him with this because that's the 25 point. And this character gains an extra target. Incapacitate. If this character can already use Incapacitate, when they use it after resolutions, heal this character 1 click for each hit character. So maximum of 3 healing for Dream if ever he hits. Interesting. So going back to the Dream card, I'm actually tempted to really try him at maybe 40 points, and then for 40 points you still get that special attack power, and you can get a discount by equipping the Dreams. Okay, as I was saying, for 40 points you can also free equip this Dream Helm that grants him 3 to 6 willpower, I guess. Okay. Interesting. What else? Or it's also tempting to equip him with the Dream Ruby. Okay, but the problem is you want to KO an opposing character. So with 3 damage, that's gonna be hard unless you have Empower, I guess. Interesting. Okay. So team building is definitely in order for this particular figure. But for now, we'll end the video at this. What do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comments. And good night, sweet dreams. Bye!